Talofa and welcome to Behind the Lava Lava. I'm your host, Michael Tan, and I attended a networking event for veteran entrepreneurs organized by the Utah Veteran Business Resource Center, which took place at the Mill at Salt Lake City Community College. It was sponsored by American United Federal Credit Union, and I had the opportunity to meet some amazing individuals. Let's go check them out.
Hi, I'm Becky Gertler with the Veteran Business Resource Center, and we exist to help veterans with their business, anything that they need. And you can find us here at the Miller campus, or you can go to UtahVBRC, Victor Bravo Romeo Charlie.org.
Hey, this is Cameron Wilkins. I'm with American United Credit Union. I'm a business development officer covering all of Salt Lake County and Tooele County. Today we're here at the Veterans Networking event. It's a great event. Just to tell you a little bit about the credit union or what we've got going on. We've got some awesome credit card rates, 9.9 fixed, and our home equity loans still have a 6-month promo at 1.99. So if you're looking for either of those, come on down.
Hi, I'm Christopher Scott, and I'm with the Utah Department of Veterans and Military Affairs. Our office specifically assists veterans in making claims through the Department of Veterans Affairs. We take care of veterans in multiple ways, with filing claims, filing low-income pension claims. We take care of some of the housing loans items that are out there. And we also help veterans with burials and different things. So we're happy to be able to do that for our veterans. Please contact us at the Utah Department of Veterans and Military Affairs.
My name is Lawrence Lopez. I work for the Department of Workforce Services, and I am a workforce development specialist. I help employers connect with employees. So if you need someone to augment and work in your businesses, go ahead and please give me a call and contact and work with me.
Hi, my name is John Malaire. I own the company Proud Panda Video Productions. We're a production company that helps small businesses with their marketing strategy and help increase conversions with video. You can find me at proudpandavideo.com.
Hey guys, this is Cody Bishop with JDog Junk Removal and Hauling here in Salt Lake City. We offer all things junk removal, from a single item pickup for an appliance or a couch, all the way through a hoarder clean out, anything in between. Also do light demolition for sheds, decks, and fences. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, at JDog SLC.
Hi, I'm Jenalee Marshall. I'm a graphic designer here in Salt Lake City, and what sets me apart is that I do hourly transparent design for logos, packaging, ad campaigns, websites, and I'm here at the Utah Business Association, specifically with the veterans, honoring them and talking about how to help veterans within our community. We're all about networking, and it's been a great experience.
Hey everyone, Zeph Neary over at Neary Coaching. I help business leaders and professionals who are struggling with their families. If you find that you feel like you're roommates rather than spouses, come check us out at nearycoaching.com. I'd love to see you.
Jarek with Hot and Soft Home Services. We do plumbing, electrical, radiant heat, and HVAC for residential homes. You can find us online at hotandsofthomeservices.com or 801-800-8440.
Hey, this is Marcelino. I'm from Realty Path, and you can find me at marcelinorealtor.com. And I specialize in helping my clients find off-market properties and those people who are looking for creative financing and getting into a new home.
This is Jason. I'm with American Legacy Construction. We're a general contractor. We do everything from new builds to remodels. We cover all of the Wasatch Front. You can find us online at www.alc-utah.com. You can also find us on Facebook just by searching for American Legacy Construction.